In the last 60 days, artificial intelligence stopped being a tool and started being a coworker. While most of us were sleeping, the companies building these systems quietly dropped their safety nets, trading caution for speed in a race that no one seems to be winning. We aren't just in another tech hype cycle anymore. We are witnessing a financial and cultural event that experts are calling the sassacre, a sudden plunge in market value that is already wiping out billions as AI begins to do the work we once thought only humans could do. Today, we are looking at the chart-ins that have insiders getting their bunkers ready, and we're asking the question that's haunting Silicon Valley: when must we start kicking and screaming that this is actually happening? To understand the danger, we first have to understand the incredible advantage of what has just changed. For the last 2 years, we've lived in the era of the chatbot, a helpful assistant that could write an email or research a topic. But we have just crossed into the third inflection point, the era of agentic AI. These are not just programs you talk to. These are systems that can reason, take tasks, and actually perform hours-long work across your entire computer. Imagine asking an AI to build a 10-slide executive presentation from scratch, and instead of just giving you the text, the AI takes over your mouse and keyboard. It researches the data, writes the headlines, builds the layouts, and delivers a polished result in seconds while you watch with your hands off the desk.
The advantage here is a massive democratization of human creativity. For the first time in history, you don't need to know how to code to build a software company. You only need an idea. People with zero technical background are now building apps, websites, and complex projects in a single afternoon that used to take a team of engineers weeks to complete. We are entering a world where everyone is a programmer, where the barrier between a dream and a finished product has effectively vanished. But this explosion of productivity comes with a dark side that is already shaking the foundations of our economy. This is the fallout. Economists are looking at a phenomenon they call the sassacre, where stocks in software, gaming, and legal services are plunging as investors realize AI agents can do the work much cheaper and faster than traditional firms. There's a chilling analogy being whispered in tech circles right now: the horse. For a century, engines kept getting better and better, and for a long time it didn't really matter to the horses of the world.